Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning unit 4. Its title is Rashid Minhas. Today's lecture 3, under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about compound words, affixes, and inflectional ending, page number 32, 33, and 34 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 3, I have already taught you about inflectional ending. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And today we learn further to recognize specific part of words, including common inflectional endings, compound words, and affixes. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Naba, verse 1 and 2. What are they asking one another about? About the momentous news. Yes, my dear children, what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning, the non-believers, they used to discuss with each other, like every time Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam tells us, if you will not do good things on the day of judgment, this is going to happen. This is so when the day of judgment is coming. This is the meaning, the concept of the verse. And now I want you to focus. I have given red color to few of letters. Asking, another, momentous, news. The chunks which I have circled, if we just omit this part, even the rest of the word remains a word. Okay? That's your ask, that's your other, that's your moment, and that's your new. So it means these are the additional parts. Okay, these are the additional parts given to word. So we are going to learn about these parts today again. So first you tell me what is a compound word and what do you know about affixes. Okay, pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, I hope you have answered about compound word. Like a compound word is a combination of two or more words that function as a single unit. Means we make two or words or more than two words to come together and to work as a single unit, and the new word is like they make a new word. Are you getting it? For example, sun. We all know sun. And when I say flower, it can be any flower. But when I join these two words separately, it's a word. It's also a word, right? Both are noun. So when we join them together, we get a new noun, that is sunflower. And when I say sunflower, it doesn't mean any flower. It means only sunflower. So you see, we join two words together and we got a new word. So this word sunflower is a compound word, right? The next concept is about affixes. What does affixes mean? Affix is a letter or group of letters. It can be one letter or a group of letters attached to a root word to form a new word. So we take a word, we attach a letter or group of letters to this word and we make a new word. And this phenomena, like this activity, when we add letters, it is called affixes. Affixes can be of two types. It's a prefix or suffix. Okay, so whenever you find this part, it means before, pre. As every day I tell you, pre-reading. So pre means before. Prefix means it is an affix that is added to the beginning of a word. Okay, and suffix is an affix that is added at the end of a word. Right? So affixes Affixes mean addition to a word. If it is before the word, it is prefix, and if it is after the word, it is suffix. Are you clear? Okay, I'm giving you an example. Here is the word. It's success. If I write successful, it means I have added something at the end of the word. So what is this? When we add something at the end of word, it is suffix. Good. And if I say unsuccessful, now to this word I have added this chunk, 2 letters, unsuccessful. So it is coming before the word, that's why it's prefix. So what comes at the end, what we add at the end of a word, it's suffix, and what we add at the beginning, at the starting of the words, it's prefix. Are you clear? Okay. Now there is another concept, an inflectional ending. Is a word part that is added to the end of a base word that changes the number or tense. I just told you about suffix. We add it at the end of a word. But if by adding at the end of a word, the number of the noun or the tense of the verb is changed, it means the word we added is inflectional ending. For example, play. Now this is the base word, root word. I can write playful. Now by adding this, neither number nor the tense of the word changed. That's why it is suffix. Okay, but if I add s, plays, ed, played, ing, playing, now you know this is simple present tense, this is simple past tense, and this is continuous tense. It means by adding this chunk, the tense of the root word, the base word is changing. That's why it's inflectional ending. Can you differentiate? Now, suffix does not change number or tense, but if number or tense is changed, it is inflectional ending. Simple. You got it? Okay, so we are clear with compound word, with inflectional ending, and with affixes. It's a time for practice, and we are going to practice through activity. What we are going to do? Teacher will divide the class in 3 groups. One group will be assigned prefix, other suffix, and third group will be assigned inflectional ending. Okay, and what we are going to do? Each group have to locate the words of the assigned category from the text of unit 4. Okay, very simple. So teacher kindly divide class into 3 groups. Pause the video, enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job, you are smart. So on page number 33, there is practice. All of you settle down, and questions 7 and 8 you are going to do on your notebooks. From new words by using form, new words by using given prefixes, and from new words by given suffixes. So you will use these as prefixes, these as suffixes, and make new words in your notebook. Pause the video and complete this exercise. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. What you will do? You will write 10 compound words in your notebook and use them in your sentences. This is question number 6 given on page number 33. It's your homework. And I'm giving you a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you are going to do? Here is a word bank for prefix, and this is a bank of suffix. You will use suffix here and prefix here. Okay, so make new words. What we have learned today? We learned that a word can have different parts. We recognized parts of words in compound words, inflectional endings, and affixes. And we practiced to recognize part of words. In this way, we achieved our SLO, that is to recognize specific part of words including common inflectional endings, compound words and affixes. Are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and all the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.